Good afternoon, everybody. Ben Goldman here, Eastern Title and Settlement. Want to spend a few moments with you, give you a little bit of an update on what's happening with the COVID-19 and a few things that are going on in the industry. So, long story short, we utilize our staff to go out and do settlements, whether, again, you've heard me talk about this before, we're not having anything done in our office, but we do have a room set up in our lobby in our building. We can come to your home, and when we come to your home, again, we have the different options, whether if you feel comfortable inviting us in, that's fine. We're doing settlements in the backyard, and of course, ones at the front door, limited or no contact, and we're offering the same thing a lot of the restaurants are, drive-by, curbside closings as well. So we have all that available. Now, you real estate agents and loan officers, you know, there are a lot of large national lenders. I'm not talking about the banks, because all the banks will generally have presence all over the country. But large national lenders may or may not. You might be dealing, your borrower might be dealing with someone who is, you know, completely on the other side of the country. And a lot of them will use a national title company who has no physical presence in a certain area. So what do? They subcontract out with a third-party signing agency to get a signing agent to come to the person to do the settlement. And there are times when we have to do the same thing. For example, I had a purchase transaction earlier this week where one of the sellers was in Wisconsin. So on a situation like that, of course, we're going to have to hire a mobile notary to go get the documents signed. However, anything here in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, it's going to be one of our staff. So the difference is, if you are utilizing, or if the company is utilizing a large title company that does not have a presence, you don't know who's going to show up at your door. You don't know what kind of experience they're going to have and what level of professionalism. That's why we take steps to ensure that all of the people who close with us are on our staff, and sometimes we'll use some other signing agents, but they are very well screened. They know what the level of their professionalism is supposed to be and their responsibility, and we keep track of that all the time to make sure that they're keeping up with what our standards are. So, what I'm saying to you is, anybody here, especially you real estate agents, if you're here in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, and you want a professional title company with professional people to do your settlements under all the varying different ways that we are doing it, please reach out and contact us. We're here to work with you, and we close anywhere, anytime. If you need some additional information, feel free to just shoot me an email, ben@easterntitle.com. Look forward to seeing all of you, and stay safe out there. Thank you.